Are you new on Fiverr and you're wondering how to get your first order even with zero reviews? In this video, I'll show you exactly what a winning gig looks like using a real example so you can stand out, get clicks, and land that first sale fast. Let's get into it. Step 1. Your gig title. This is what buyers see first, so make it specific and searchable. In this example, the title says, I will do modern custom logo design for your brand in 24 hours. This is very clear and keyword rich. That's important when you have no reviews. Your title needs to grab attention. Next up is your gig image. This is your first impression. So use bold fonts, simple colors, and a clean layout. Your gig image should build instant trust. Now the gig description. This is where you build more trust by explaining what you will deliver, how long it will take, and why you are the best choice. When you have zero reviews, your words matter. This example uses short paragraphs, bullet points, and a friendly tone to sound professional and confident. You can also keep it friendly and clear. Before you wait for Fiverr to bring in buyers for you, try using the share button. You can post your gig on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Reddit, and the likes. Send it to your network or share it in niche groups. The more people see it, the faster you get your first order. And that's how to set up a Fiverr gig that gets you your first order even with zero reviews. Did you find this helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on videos like this.